Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can allow others to add photos or videos to your posts on Instagram. So now this is a new feature on Instagram. So when you post a new photos or videos, you can also allow other users to add new photos or video to your post with maximum of 20 photos or videos, and it will also allow both with all your old posts or a new one. But you need to know that no one can see the photos and video unless you approve them. So if you are not approved them yet, then others can see it. And the approved photos and video will include the contributors usernames. Also, the added photos and video can only be seen from your post, but it will not be shown on their profiles or on the other contributors profiles. And in the future, you can also remove a photo or video or turn off the feature. And here I'm going to just go to my profile and then select the post. For example, I'm going to just choose an old post of mine, for example this one's right here. So you can just click on the three dots icon on the post. Okay, so not all posts available the feature yet. Okay, you can see. Okay, so here this is the option allow adding media. So if you tag other users, you can click on this allow adding media, and after that you can see there will be this button add to post. So you other contributors can easily add photos or videos into the post. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.